Students, coal is the India's largest mineral resource. India is fourth largest producer of coal in the world. People call coal as black gold. Coal's other name is black gold. Coal is called as black gold. So coal gives us energy. It is a fossil fuel, that means it gives us energy. We burn coal as fuel at home and to run trains and ships. Coal is also used in iron and steel industries, as I told you, and coal gas, coke, water gas or producer gas are some important coal products. Okay, so just I told you about the distribution of the coals. That is, coal is found in Jharia and Bokaro, that is in Jharkhand, then Tilchar in Odisha, then Raniganj in West Bengal, and Naveli in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and do you know what is about something about iron ore? Iron ore is the main resource of any country's development. Iron ore is also called the backbone of the civilization. Okay, what is the which mineral is the backbone of the civilization? Yes, it is iron ore. India has about 1/4 of the world's iron ore deposits. So students, this is for information. Iron ore already I have explained you, but this is what I want to tell you, that iron ore, it is also called the backbone of the country, backbone of civilization. Okay, so students, now we will read about mineral oil. What is mineral oil? Mineral oil means petroleum. Petroleum is a liquid mineral and it is also called liquid gold. Petroleum is called liquid gold, and you can say this as rock oil. Petroleum, that means petro means rock, oleum means oil, that means rock oil. Okay, and petroleum is actually a dark oily substance brought out from the oil wells inside the earth. Crude petroleum is refined to get petrol, kerosene and diesel, and these are used as fuels for vehicles, cooking gas, that just I have told you, the product of petroleum, LPG, liquid petroleum gas, is also obtained from petroleum. Plastics, candles, paint, then shoe polish that you use, shoe polish, and fertilizers are also made up of petroleum. Petroleum are found, where it is found? Off coast of Maharashtra, then Gujarat and Assam. Okay, off coast, not that is India depend heavily on importing oils. India has to import a big amount of this oil, mineral oil, that is petroleum. Okay, so students, Diesel is used for running vehicles like bus, then jeep, truck, etc., trains. And petroleum is also used in petrochemical industries. So this is about petroleum. And now we will read about the conservation of the minerals. Okay, so first we should read out about the importance of the minerals. Okay, like some minerals like natural gas, uranium, chromite, Jism just we have read about, that is its reserve is found in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. That is also found in Jammu and Kashmir. Small amount, but it is found in it can be found in Jammu and Kashmir. And natural gas, it is made up of it is made up of highly flammable gas. It is called methane. This is natural gas. Okay, natural gas is made up of inflammable highly inflammable gas, that is methane. Natural gas reserves are found, that is also off coast of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Assam and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, so now we will read about some points on conservation of mineral wealth. Mineral wealth are a non-renewable natural resource. Okay, and they take millions of years to form, and so they are very valuable. We should know that wealth is limited. We must know that wealth is limited, hence we should use minerals with care. Okay, we should conserve petrol, coal and other minerals. We should not waste our mineral wealth. We should use alternative renewable resources. What are renewable resources? Like renewable resources of energy such as solar energy, wind energy, etc. Hydro energy we are using as hydroelectricity. Okay, we should adopt practice like recycling our resources. Recycling our resources. Okay, students. So, like this we can conserve our mineral wealth. Coal and petroleum deposits are fast depleting. So scientists are trying to find some alternatives to these minerals. So what I told you, we should adapt what? Non-renewable resources. Okay, these are non-renewable resources. Our renewable resources are, we should adopt renewable resources. We should adopt renewable resources. Scientists are working on it, and to find out some more renewable resources, alternative to this minerals. Okay, so a source of power like solar, then wind power, solar power, then water energy can be used as the alternatives. So students, minerals are exhaustible resources. It takes millions of year for their formation. So that we say, no, these are non-renewable resources, and we should adopt renewable resources, okay, to conserve these minerals. So that is what for today, students. We have completed the chapter, and you will go through the chapter. You watch this, you listen this video again and again, okay, to get the information, to know about the chapter. So good day, students. Bye.